Hey guys, welcome back. What is happening? Right, so let's see. In a trade already. Here you guys can hear me okay? Okay, sounds good. Let's see. Righty. It was close. It was very close. Got very close of get stopped there. But let's see. Sorry guys, I just want to post something quickly. Then we'll go through everything. Under 15 minutes, we are bearish right now. Just so everybody is aware. Right, so let's jump in here. All right, so this is your protected high. And I mean, there's an opportunity here to enter up in this fair value gap. And target is equal lows. Stops goes above there. And then if you enter in here and we break lower, then obviously you move your stop at this high. But let's see. Right, so I'm targeting this low because that's the data low and it's forming equal lows down there, which is perfect. We ran the high out already. We broke a little structure there and start moving down to try to take it out. Just missed me and then sold off. In theory, I need to keep my stop up there. But I brought it down just in case we don't want to go down there and we're moving up higher. So let's see. Let's also see something else. Forex. Okay, so we've got CPI and then we've got the Fed chair vote. I don't know what time that's going to be. It says tentative though. Right, so if you entered up here, that's a good reaction there. Let's see if we can break lower here. I mean, I just want to see if there's anything else that stands out here. Alright, so sorry, I'm going to go back there now. I just want to see what's this down here. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of sell side guys, so I'm just going to be patient and happy to take this off the table. Maybe we make it 4,000. See if we get it. Let's see if we get it. See if the short can keep going. To close below the bodies there, we just need to close below those swing points. Took 50. Where did you go long? Well, let's see if price is going to give us what we want. Nice to see a little bit of a dump here. 175. So you bought up around here. Okay. Okay. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? Right, so far everything played out, guys. If we get stopped here, I guess it's the way price want to go here, but it's definitely bearish. That's okay. So price want to move, and that's what price got to do. Okay, so this is out, this is out, this is equal. Okay, so well, we'll see how the candle closes. Okay, so we'll take that out, and then we've got these here still from yesterday. Right, so let's see, what are we gonna do? Okay, so all we gotta do now is wait to see how price reacts to these levels, and then play it accordingly. Alright, so we're filling a gap here, that's what's going on. Let's see. 50% is up here. We'll make it red. Okay, then at least I can take this off. I can switch this back on, and we can add this, and let's just make sure this is right. From today is Tuesday, so it's from yesterday. Okay. Right, so let's see. Probably going to remove the IFG here. Right, straight into those liquidity there. And let's see what happens here. Right, both liquidities, that's pretty quick, which is good. This little gap down here. That is if you want to come down to test the bounce. And I know there's liquidity here, guys, but this looks like consolidation, looks like a manipulation here. Run it again and then shift higher. So if we come back down here, good to look for some sort of entry down here. Right, so if that 15-minute candle obviously closed like this, that's going to be a start of a bullish move. And to show you guys, let's just take this off. How it goes. So we consolidate here, it spike below, close above. This is actually a nice entry. I did think we're going to get down there first. That's back into that 75 and it bounced. So now what we're going to do, there's consolidation, manipulation, and we're going to close above there. So there could be an opportunity to take a long if we get back or spike in there. And then we've got equal highs higher up, which could be, or which is a nice. This red line here, that's 50% of the gap. That's been closed now, almost. Right, so let's see. It's also a fair value gap that we tested here. So we ran this, so that's fine. I'll clear all of that later, so that's fine. Let's go back to the one. Right, so this is what I'm looking at for any longs. We can get down to that level. Still gonna target that level there. So take a buy there. I don't know why it didn't pick me up down there. So leave it there. Only reason I took this, looking at this black candle, it might bounce off the view up there. And I only went out 5 micros. If we go deeper, I'll add more down there. keep it open here in case we get another one. See if we can scale into this trade. This is the area we want to go long and favor the cap. Add another one. And I can actually do 7 here, I think. Right, let's see. Okay, full position is in. See if we can get the bounce. Stop loss is down here. I'll start managing it now. I mean, if we close below all of this, then I guess it's one of those things. But this on the 15-minute is manipulation to expand, and this could be the retracement to go higher again. But hey, what do we know? We know there's liquidity down here. But let's see. See if we can get the bounce. Can we get the bounce? Come on, let's drink some water and send it to the moon. Dum, 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 dum. See if we can get a bounce. See if we can get a bounce. Oh, just be patient. If it goes down, it goes down. Then We'll look for shorts. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. Nice bounce would be nice here. Guys, I'm watching this swing point here. If we close above that, then we could move a little higher. Ta-da-da-da-da. I mean, if we close above that red line, that's even better. No pins, no pins. Close up, close up. You don't want the body or the price close back below that line. You want to see it push through. Okay, close above that. That's one good sign. So let's see if we can push higher. 364 is up there. 364. Yep. And then we've got, just to show you, we've got these equal highs. Nice spot. These ones here. We've got this liquidity down here. We've got equal highs up here. Here as well. So there's a lot of liquidity here. If price decide to go higher. So all we got to do now is keep an eye on it, and it looks like it's struggling. So okay, so this fair value gap's been inverse like a million times already. So I'm just taking that out. So we did close, and then we shift back down. I mean, if we close below this, we most probably gonna go down here. So let's see where it closed. Okay, let's see if we want to bounce here again. Right, so okay, I'm most probably gonna have to close this now. Right, let's take the 2 grand off. That's a pity. Okay, so we'll probably go for this now. Right, so we're in the macro already. So let's see if macro wants to run this liquidity and give us, I don't know, continuation or whatever. I mean, we are, if the 15-minute is closing the way it closed, where it's now, most probably going to look for lower prices. Nice to see a pullback into this Fibonacci gap. Now IFG. Right up there where that white candles starts. Little volume imbalance there as well. I can't take the short down here. But let's see if we can get up in here. Okay, so there's big momentum down here now. Even if you run this, I would like to see it pull back here and then continue lower. I just want to show you guys again. I spoke about it last night. See this candle? We wick above the high and the body closed below the lows. That's sending price lower. Okay. So let's see. Are we going to get a bounce here? Or are we just going to drop? Midpoint of that IFG. Let's see. Okay, so we through that. Let's first see how we close. Okay, so this is fairly gap down here, and there's liquidity down there. Well, there's some great opportunity, guys. Here's the target, or not. Here is a target. This is a good target. We'll make it blue. Okay, let's see if we can get a bounce up here. Right there, that would be nice. Let's see if we can get send price up there for us to take our shorts. Let's see if we can put it there. Okay. Then I want to take it down there. Right, so this is definitely a protected high. There's a lot of confluence here. We're out of these VWAPs. See if we can get it up there. That would be nice. Broke structure here, took liquidity there as well. So there's a nice shift down. And now it would be absolutely great if we can get an entry here and then sell lower. Even if it pulls away, guys, don't get scared. It sometimes forms a high, then it runs that high and then drop like, yeah, forms a high, went down and then came all the way back, run. So let's see. And if it runs away without us, gosh, don't know what to tell you. It's one of those things. Price will do what it wants to do. We just need to be ready for in the event that it comes to an area of value for us. Oh, can you? Okay, so where this is going to be is this little one, yeah. I'll move it there. See if we get it. Down, down, down. Come on, go tag me in. Want to be part of the move. Now it's just holding. Come on, there you can. Come on. Push it, push it. Give it to us. Give us something. I just want to look at something. There. Take this full range. That's where it is. And if we just bring it down, so we are in line. Let's see. Da -da -da -da. So close, so close. Right, so I'm watching this swing point here. This is like a consolidation, manipulation in there and close down. Should send price lower. But if it shoots up here, then what can you do? Then I'm out of words and out of money. Ta ta ta. Ta 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 ta. And down it goes. Two. So that equal lows is holding. All we got to do is spike up, tag me in, and then break down. That's all we want to see. Can we get it, please? Let's see if there's any. So this Fed chair nomination vote. When will that happen? Come on. Let's see. Is it happening? Is it not happening? Okay, let's see. Let's see. There is a H1 fair gap at the equal lows. It's a bit more force, yes. You're right. If we get through that, then we should see things happening. I just want to look at something quickly on that hourly. So see, I'm right here. This February gap, I want to get in there. I don't want to worry too much about the small one. There's liquidity right on top of this, so the magnet should be stronger here. But hey, let's see. Consolidation, there's the manipulation, and now we want to see expansion or pullback, close below that swing, and then expansion lower. Okay, now we want to see we dropping, not expanding, dropping. Oh gosh, where are you going? Could test the view up there at the 50% of this IFG. Who knows? We'll just wait and see. Now we're getting through. Drop like a rock. Drop like a rock. You can do it. I know you can. I know you want to. No, man. When we needed you to go up, you went down. So now we need you to go down. Unbelievable. Gosh. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. But hey, let's see you drop. Let's see you drop. So we're still in that IFG, that orange block there. So let's see. I mean, this is going to be one of the most annoying things if we decide to go bullish again. I guess then, what do you know? What do you know? At the end of the day, guys, the market's going to do what the market wants to do. Regardless of what your strategy is, it's going to go up, it's going to go up. If you want to go down, it's going to go down. Are we gonna get the drop? What do you guys think? Come on. Are we gonna be stuck in this waiting game again? Right, so with this up leg here, we need to close below this area and then ultimately close below those equal lows. Um, Now we need to get through this little IFG and actually take it out. You need to close below that low to come lower. And it does not look like we're gonna do it. Otherwise, we just going sideways again. Okay, so I don't know if that what do you call it? If that Fed chain or vote's got to do something. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's making us, I don't know, going higher, going lower, going sideways. Oh, dee da, dee da. Down, down, down. Gosh. Come on, let's push down here. Show us you can. Show us you can. Close below that view up again. Okay, so don't bounce, don't bounce, don't bounce. Okay. Get through that. View up. Get through it. Drink some water and send it down. Yes. Okay, so we dancing on the 50% of that IFG that got inversed another million times, and the VWAP. Still think we're gonna go lower here. 15 minutes still bullish, bearish. Still bearish. So you gotta trade in that direction. While we wait for this thing to do its dance, it's like equal lows that. Come on, you can do it now. You can do it now. Sell, baby, sell it. Go on, close down. Yeah, that's what we want to see. Don't pin down there. Push through, push through, push through. Yes. Push, baby, push. There you go. Right, remember the candle. That candle, we wick through the high and close with the body down. That's a good candle if it can stay like that. Yeah, okay. Now let's see what you can do. Come on, keep going. Don't stop now. Don't stop now. Want to get down there. 2 minutes of hard drop. That's what we want to see. Come on, I'm falling asleep here. Okay, let me drink more water. Let me just put the mute on so you don't hear me drink. Did it work? Did it work? Almost. Yeah. True. Okay, okay. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. What is the damage today? 2,100. Right. Let's see if we can break it and end up in the green in the session. Let's see. Okay, stop loss goes there. Well, I didn't put a stop loss earlier because I wanted to see if we closed above that, I would have just closed it. But now we're looking, I want to say we're looking good. And I'll show you what I was looking for. That's why I said 2 minutes of hard drop. Okay, now imagine this candle ran the high and closed below that low. Look at the 15 minutes. So I'm expecting this to form. Run that white candle's high and close below it. So we want to close lower down. Then we will see. Right, so there's 30 seconds. You got to close below this low. Got to close down. Close down, close down. Let's see if it works. 19, 18 seconds. I need to close below that low. These lows here. Close down. There we go. Oh. Keep closing, then it's bearish. Yeah, that's it. And we did it. Exactly, guys. Watch. Look at this. Just close below it. Wick through the high. Close below it. Now we're going to drop. I mean, it could take another 15 minutes. I'm just going break even now. Go on, drop. Yeah, I like the momentum. Okay, let's see if we can get it now. Okay. Hey, 4,700 saves today. Should we try 5? Or am I greedy now? 5 is there. Guys, if I miss this, I'm gonna be angry. Let's see if I missed it. I'll just close it manually. Did it not move? Huh? Did it not move? Come on. Gotta be kidding me. Gosh. What's happening here? Are you really kidding me? We're not even going to get to the 50%. $5,550. Oh, 550. That's a nice profit there. Super. The trade eventually played out. Super. Let's see if I can get to 5 grand. Yeah. But I don't, I guess, there we go. Let's just keep it open here, just in case you don't get to the 5 grand. Just push. Don't bounce there. Go push through. Push. Drink your water, do whatever you guys need to do. Just get me to 5 grand. There we go. We did it. I'm up 3 grand. We did it. Gosh, what a mission. Let's look at this. This was a killer. Right, so our first short up here. Because we broke structure, a nice one there. We came down, and I was targeting this. Maybe I should have looked here for a 221. I don't know. Let's see. We've entered there. Stop is above that. Guys, I could have, no, wait. Sorry, 221. I could have secured a 221 there. A 2R trade. I didn't. I could actually did more because I didn't got stopped out there. I got stopped out here. So that was like a 4R trade or something. Little silly me decided to hang on to that trade. Okay. Then we got stopped here. Then we waited. We saw this is going up, came down. So we enter. Gosh, get stopped again. I was like, okay, well, now we're going the opposite. I entered here. That was 50% from there to there. Did endure a little bit of drawdown, but we got it. That's the main thing. Main thing, we did it. Alright, Judge just joined Mr. 10 minutes. What missed it 10 minutes ago? Holy crap. Sorry, man. I thought it was gonna be one of those days again, but we stuck to our guns, and as you can see, I could have secured a nice profit here. I didn't, got stopped out. Then I was happy with this trade, even if I got stopped out, fine. Then this was again in line with the trend. I got stopped there. I re-entered here as a short. Did go a little bit higher, but we managed to get the drop. And if it drops further, then so be it. And it might do. Let's see. Okay, let me take all this crap off. Alrighty. Sorry, let's go 15 minutes. Right, so I'm just going to minimize it quickly. So there's lows here. Oh, there's equal lows here. I know these equal lows seems very far out of our reach. I mean, we've got a million those here. And I don't know if today's the day. I do know there's more liquidity. Read for the news. I'm not going to go do that all now. The only reason I target this, guys, is not so long ago. What day is this? Well, let's go to 1 minute, then I can show you guys. I mean, we marked this out a long time ago. And it's silly. We were looking to sell here into this liquidity, liquidity above this. When you see a fair value gap form like this, and there's a lows on top of it, that's a magnet for liquidity. The only problem is it took us a million years to get there, as you can see. But you know what? We got there today. All right, let's see. I'm not taking trade here, guys, because I've met my target. But I want to show you guys. Let's play around with this. So that was in there. This was the, okay, I'm not going to mark this out, but that was the protected high there. There's nothing here. So that's where we entered. No, we entered here, sorry. So I kept it and then I moved it to break even. If we reach this target now, it's a very good chance if we want to pull back that we'll go back to this 25 for two reasons. This could be the pullback to continue lower, then you hit that target. Or this could be the pullback, little rebalance and bounce. Just a little bit of a education piece there. So I know people who wait for this and trade this move there. And I almost want to show you and see, let's see if it happened here. We'll go there now. So we didn't get there. So, but anyways, but we were bearish on this. So, yeah, you're gonna. I mean, I don't trade it, but if you are, I mean, this is something you need to work out what your entry would be. No, so I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's see what people say in the chat here. Yeah, that was a great recovery. Thanks, man. Okay, let's see. Good sell position. Thanks. That was a good sell at last. I took the first move up after it closed above. Okay, nice. So, guess you make some money there. Okay, that was a good one. Thanks, man. Yeah, we struggled in a bit. I could have, my very first trade was a 4R trade. I should have just taken that profit, but I didn't. And that's one of the things I'll take to the grave. Okay, and enter at 116. Sorry, 116. Did you short at 116? Hope you guys, I don't know. So I see some people did take some trades. I mean, I'm not saying you take my trades. I mean, let me know if you've taken something else and it worked out for you. Oh gosh. Well, 116 could be a good entry if you believe we're going to go shorter. We are bearish. So in theory, you should stick to the trend. I'm just done with my entries, so I don't know if I want to risk anything. Yes, 50%. That's exactly what this is. And this lines up with the equal lows for maybe a retest to drop. That's why let's see if we get something here. I'm not taking a trade and see if it actually plays out. I mean, we're already testing this 25% now, so. Yeah, so what we are doing, and I'm not saying this is buys, I'll take this off. That high, that's the 50%, so we didn't really get there, but there's a high, lower high, so this is liquidity here. So if we break through, we could go back up there, but if we look at the 15 minutes, and let me show you on the 15 minute where I think we could bounce, is here. That. And this, but we've already passed that. So let's see. Okay, so we already passed this, so we could bounce there. So anywhere between these two lines could be a reaction to go lower to that low, or so we'll just have to see. All right, so we're at 50% now. Let's keep an eye and see if we get anything that stands out. Okay, so we did get very close to this area here. I guess if we close below this white body, let's see, it's more than 10 points. No. Let's see something. 10 o'clock was here. There's no fair value gaps here in here. Yeah, it does, but yes. So, okay, so we got through to that 50 there. I'm going to try, oh gosh, try a quick scalp here. See if we can get $400 out of this. Right, 600. I took 600 out. Okay, and that's what I said. Just a rejection there, and back to this 25. So now we're actually up 3,500 for the session. And the only thing I was looking at is candle closing below the body of that white candle to go down there. I'm not saying this can drop even further down. But if you're just in for that 10-point trades, I mean, maybe what we could do one day when you guys up for it, we do a full 10 point, 10 point, 10 point. Look for entries for good 10 points. Yeah. I don't want to say it was easy, but because we've seen how challenging it can be. The lows. If it closed below, no. So if it, I mean, so I hear what you say, A plus. So I define A plus a little bit, you know. So for me, A plus is, let's see if there's one here. So for me, it's, okay, let's just use this. I'm going to take this off. A plus for me is whether it's at liquidity, at equal highs, equal lows, or in a trend. I look for liquidity. We run it aggressively and we shift away aggressively, breaking structure, closing below that pin. We haven't yet. Then if we come back to this area, because I'm sure that's the fair value gap above 50% right there. We need to close below that. If we do that, and an entry, a short entry here would be an A plus. My problem now is we've already run liquidity. We broke through liquidity. We tested liquidity up here. So this could drop further. This could most definitely drop further. So this could be an option to take a short, but I'm not going to say this is A plus. I mean, we did break structure here now. So now we on the opposite, we're in a bearish move, which is right. We've got this in the way of us, which is fine. So if you get up there, that could be a short to go back down here. I don't know if we will get back up there, but let's see. All right, so my prop firm don't allow trades less than a minute. Gosh, I tried it with, I don't even know who the company was as well. That's why I don't like prop firms. The rules. You're not allowed to close a trade within 5 minutes. And I was like, gosh, if this was 2 big candles and it reversed, I mean, who makes a rule like that? Why can't you do scalps? It makes no sense. Which prop firm do you use? Well, 1 minute is just as harsh. Because you're here to make money, right? Not to lose money. Yeah, this entry up here was good. And because we make a lower low, lower high, that's an entry OTE. That was an entry at 50 to target this low. So if you get a bounce in here, could be a good maybe a good short up here. I'm always a bit wary about these prop firms, guys, because if you go and you trade and you make money and you need to take money out and they turn around and like, you don't do this, don't do that, or they come with other rules, they struggle to pay you out and all of that. That's my biggest worry. I'm not good with trusting these prop firms. To be honest, guys, I don't know if we're going to get the pullback into this area. Don't think so. Okay, so this candle wick through the high, close below the low, so we could see 10 points down. There's 10 points. Go, go. That's it. That would have been a quick scalp as well. And that's just trading one thing. That's trading outside bars. But not randomly. You gotta find, like in this instance, you expect price to go lower. It formed and it went lower. And if you really think about it, if you took this outside bar and you put your stop above the wick and you targeted 2R trade, there's 2R, you actually went 3.5. So even if you just target that, that's like a 3R trade right there. But that's in context now, guys. This trade, let's see, if you entered here, just stop there. 2R is right here. We're in liquidity already, so I don't know, we could bounce higher to go up there, like that. So this is obviously not a good example. We're creating liquidity down here as well. I just want to see if there was one from earlier. I mean, a 15-minute was a good one that we Saw close below here. Guys, I'm going to be with you for another 7 minutes and then I'm going to hop off. I'll see you guys obviously in the PM session later. But let me show you guys. I'm going to jump onto another chart. Same instrument. I just want to show you guys on a clean chart. Let's take this off. Right, so white candle up, black candle, wick through the highs, and close below the low. The body is the test, and I'm sure if you go mark this out, that's 50% there. Then another white candle, wick through the highs and close below the low. That's where you would enter. You just missed it. I mean, I showed you guys this last night. Well, this is a bit of a tough one because there's no, yeah, I don't know what to tell you with this one. Looks a bit high, but that's normally where it tests to that body. And we did this last night. Here's one here. Wick below the low, close above the high. We came down, wick in there, your stop is there, and then we went all the way up. Just thought I'll share that with you guys. But like I said, you can't just randomly trade it. Got to have good context for this. Okay, let's see. So this has now become not so much A plus for me, and the reason being is we went lower, we came up, didn't take out that low, and now, so this could be a sideways move. I'm not saying you shouldn't short it there. You can if you want. Your stop will be there, but there could be a chance where it runs higher and then come back. Remember, we just missed that body there. Thanks, man. And the other thing is, guys, just remember, we're still bearish with 15 minutes, so we can't. I mean, if you want to take shorts, even if you're wrong, you might make money. But yeah, so this is a good area up here. So we could go up there. We could just bounce here and drop. Don't know. And I don't know what's happening with that tentative news. I hate these tentative stuff. That's how you get screwed. Anyways. Right, so what I think I'm going to do, guys, I think I'm going to jump off here because we've got our move. Nothing's happening now. We can have a look at it at the PM session and wait for something to set up a bit later. And because even if we pull back now, I'm not going to enter any trades. You guys are welcome to obviously follow this further. And just to look left, there's so much liquidity. I mean, there's liquidity down here, but I'm sure if you go down here, all of this whole trend line here is liquidity. So there's still plenty liquidity to get run here. And what I've also seen here is like 1, 2. This is the other thing. Watch this. So we push up, manipulation. 1, 2, and we can get another push down 3. And then we can go sideways. So just be careful on that. I know this is playing out now, but we haven't got to the area that was important. And let's see. See, you wanted to get up there. There's no fair value gap here. You can't get in down here. That's below 50. So you got to look at that fair value gap. And this could potentially still go up there, but just watch out. All right. I think that's it for me for this AM session, guys. I'll see you guys in the PM session later. Don't overtrade, and let's see if we can make some money a bit later. Thanks, guys. Ciao. Bye.